In order to understand what was happening from the labor side, Lightcast really gave me the opportunity to be able to see the data, not only regionally, but also nationally. My name's Annette Vickers. I work for the ARM Institute, that's Advanced Robotics for Manufacturing Institute, located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and my title is Senior Research Manager. So ARM Institute was created back in January of 2017. We're one of 17 Manufacturing USA institutes. Our focus is on accelerating the adoption of robotics in manufacturing. The ARM Institute is really divided up into two groups. We have the technology side and the education workforce side. Originally, we were really built to really talk about robotics used in manufacturing. But because of technology changing so quickly and AI becoming more and more important, our scope has really increased. And so now we see ourselves and we position ourselves to not only do robotics, but automation and also AI. So we work on projects across those three areas. When I first started with ARM Institute, my job was to work in the field of market research. I was trying to find sources of data, and there was a lot of data that was out there that really focused on robots installed in a manufacturing plant. But I needed data that showed more on the labor side, what was happening to the trends in labor nationally and also regionally. Also trying to understand what are some of the skills that are needed for some of these robotic jobs that are available. We use Lightcast data to give us the information that we need on the labor market, what's happening nationally for trends, as well as what's happening on a regional level.